OBS Studio versus Meld Studio. Which one should you choose? Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a head-to-head comparison between OBS Studio and Meld Studio. So whether you're a gamer, content creator, or business streamer, this video will help you figure out which tool suits you best. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you enjoy no-nonsense tech breakdowns. Let's get into it. Let's start with the basics. OBS Studio is an open source platform known for its power, flexibility, and massive customization options. Meld Studio, on the other hand, is a browser-based streaming platform designed for simplicity and speed. One needs to be installed on your device, the other runs directly in your browser, so right off the bat, Meld wins in convenience. So if you're a beginner or just want to get started, Meld Studio is a clear winner. It has a super clean drag-and-drop interface, built-in transitions, and even automatic snipping for scene layout. Meanwhile, OBS offers deeper control but comes with a steeper learning curve. It's definitely more technical and hands-on. So here's where it gets interesting. OBS supports high-quality local recordings while multiple bitrate and format options, which is perfect for gaming, recording, or offline content. Meld Studio focuses more on live streaming. It includes built-in multi-streaming to YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, and more. No plugins required, but its local recording features are limited. OBS Studio gives you total control, advanced audio filters, custom transitions, third-party plugin support, and manual scene switching. Meld, while more limited in customization, makes things super intuitive. It offers built-in templates, quick camera audio setup, scene transitions that just work, a simple but effective audio mixer. So if you love tweaking every detail, go with OBS, and if you want plug and play functionality, Meld is for you. OBS depends heavily on your hardware. If your system is older or lower end, performance might suffer. Meld Studio, being cloud-based, runs much lighter and doesn't strain your device. This makes Meld ideal for laptops or quick setups on the go. OBS is completely free and open source. Meld Studio uses a freemium model. You get the basic features for free, but advanced options are locked behind a subscription. Still, if you're just getting started, Meld's free tier might be all you need. So which one should you choose? Go with OBS Studio if you want full control over your stream layout. You're a gamer or advanced user, you don't mind actually configuring things. Choose Meld Studio if you prefer a quick browser-based solution. You host webinars, interviews, or business streams. You want built-in multi-streaming with minimal setup. So what do you think? Have you tried Meld Studio yet? Are you staying with OBS or ready for something new? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and if this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.